Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get an invoice from booking.com on your iPhone. Let's get started. Booking.com does not always give the invoice directly. Most of the time, the hotel or property gives the invoice, not booking.com. First, open the booking.com app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on booking at the bottom of your screen. Find the booking you want the invoice for and tap on it. Scroll down until you see booking details. Look for a button that says request invoice or contact property. Tap that. Now send a simple message. This is the most important part. The hotel sends the invoice, not booking.com, so you may need to wait a little for the hotel to reply. If your booking says pay at property, the hotel will always give the invoice. If it says pay online, sometimes booking.com sends a receipt, but it may not be a tax invoice. And that's it. That's how to get an invoice from booking.com on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.